He said that it's not good idea to
Boss.
inform or call your boss or your work because your labor contract could get terminated right away. And he's seen many cases of the English teaching instructors.
Yes, right, especially.
He said, when the collision, you don't even know, you're not even sure whether it was collision or not. You're not sure whether you touched the car or not. And then the other car, the driver said it's okay, and then you leave. Never, never, never. They could be turned into a hit and run drive. So you make sure that you stop your car and exchange your contact information, your phone number, your business card, and the other person's contact information as well.
Oh, yes, right.
Then you're perfectly safe. Because I heard that there are many cases of like accused of.
Yes,
hit and
right.
run.
Yes, there are so many charges about like that.
I mean, that's hilarious.
Oh yes, it is a very. I don't understand why, but sometimes I think about this event. There are a lot of insurance criminal case, something like that. They didn't hit by someone, but they insisted they were injured people hit by car. I think it is almost the same.
So you are a foreigner in the land of Korea. You don't speak Korean well. You don't understand Korean well, but you have all the human rights. So be wise. In the past, there's a saying that knowledge is power, right? But I say information is power.
Your Korean Korean friend is your power in Korea. So you should make a few friends in Korea. Korean friend. They can make
Help.
you defend your criminal case for your rights.
Yeah, so make sure you call your friend who can speak your language, whether English or other language in Korean. That's the first thing. And then you make sure that at least one lawyer that you have a mind that so that you can contact right away in your compartment or in your phone. That is important thing. But also right on the scene, the accident scene, he said that it's not good idea to
Boss.
inform or call your boss or your work because your labor contract could get terminated right away. And then he's seen many cases of the English teaching instructors.
Yes, right, especially.
Yeah, can you tell me about
Oh,
it?
okay. If you have a contract of English teacher in cram school, it is a very weak position of labor law. So if you get an accident, of traffic accident, in that case, if you call to the boss or managed person, they can have some idea to terminate your contract immediately.
Yeah.
So if you don't have any contracts in Korea, you don't have any visa status, and you need to go out, but the police officer stop to go out, stop going out from
So,
Korea.
yeah,
You need
not to depart Korea.
You need to be investigate in Korea. At the moment, you don't have any power to defend your life.
Yeah, so accident occurred and then you let your boss or your work employer know, and then they terminate your labor contract right away. Then you don't have a labor contract, you don't have an employer, then your visa is at the risk. I mean, everything is just completely ruined. So it's not a good idea to call your boss. But if you're a boss, then you can call your employee, but not your employer. It's not a good idea. And also, for if the accident is a minor collision accident, no injury or death, then you call your insurance company guy. insurance guy, not the police. But if the thing's not handled right away, and then it cause like traffic, then people call police, report to the police instead of you. Then once it is reported to the police, then it's not simple, right?
Yes, right. In my point of view, if you get a fatal traffic case, in that case, you don't have to contact your boss and your managing person because they don't have any information about the case, of legal information. So you just call your friend, your Korean friend, and then you should hire your criminal defense lawyer. I think he can speak English well, and he can hear your home country, your language. It will be enough. So you need to make, you have to make your case better than you can expect.
You know, I personally think that Mr. Jacob Lee, he's a born lawyer, because he digs it out. He does a lot of research on top of his own experience with clients.
Too much to take.
So he wants to give you real information so that you could get away with any kind of this bad situation. So today, make sure you call your friend right away, and then you make sure that you hire attorney right as soon as possible. Don't call your employer, and then even if it's the very minor collision, if it's not a collision, but you should stop and exchange information. And many tips and information ahead, like information is power, so he has given you power. So can you, what is your last comment to our viewers?
I can say you 4 words: stop, and exchange, and call, and hire.
Wow! So
Thank
I
you.
told you he did a lot of homework. Once again, stop and call, and then what?
Exchange.
And
Hire.
Wow. So information is power. So we'll come back with a lot of information next time. Thank you very much.
If you like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe our video. See you again.
See you again. Thank you very much.